Aren't you hungry? I am starving. So I'll prepare some eggs. Look, I have 2 eggs and the pan. And I'm going to make some fried eggs. Yes. Eggs in the pan. Do you know how to fry an egg? It's quite simple, but you need your mom's or your dad's help because if not, you can make a mess and it can be dangerous. Oh, eggs in the pan. Have I told you about sound E? Ooh, it's quite interesting to learn sound E because there are many words in English with E. Yes, like eggs. And do you know which animal lays the eggs? The hen. Hens lay eggs in a nest. All words with E. Wow, E sound is very easy to draw. Look, the little E, it's a short letter and start in the middle. We go. It's kind of a circle, but we don't get to the end. So, and the big E for Ernest and Elliot and all the names you know with E is a tall letter. We start at the top and we go down 3 lines. Quite simple, isn't it? Do you know how to draw the letter E that we pronounce E? Oh, it's so complicated sometimes because in some cases we say E, in some others we say E, and in some others it's silent. And we don't say anything when it appears in a word. I'll show you. Here I have some words that I've written. First, the sound E for egg. Remember, when we have 2 letters of the same kind, we pronounce only one in English. So here it says egg. Then we have the word elephant that has 2 E sounds. Elephant. Elephant. PH is pronounced like F, elephant. And when it is a name, we say Elliot. Elliot. Same pronunciation, but we draw the big E when it is a name. Remember, all names of people or cities and countries and months and days of the week and many other things, rivers, okay, they go with the capital E. Yes? Elliot. Look, here we have nest. E is in the middle and we say nest. But pay attention here. E sound has a superpower. And when it comes at the end of a word, it becomes silent because it gives all the strength to the other vowel. For example, here we have the word kit. But when we add the letter E here at the end, this one becomes silent and the strength goes to I. And we say kite. Kite. This sound is not pronounced. Same happens with pan. Do you remember I was frying the egg in the pan? We say pan, but when we add the letter E at the end, we say pain, and this sound disappears. Wow, this is difficult to remember, but you will learn it. So we say E and we draw it or capital. Look, here I have some more words like pain or kite or ride. Can you see them? E is not pronounced when it is at the end, but when it is in the middle, we read it. Set, pet, pen. And here we have the same thing. We say cob, but cube. Pin, but pine. Hat, but hate. Have you learned it? When the letter E is at the end of a word, it becomes silent and it gives all the strength to the previous vowel. But when it is in the middle or at the beginning of a word, we say E, E. Like in the song we are going to learn now, that it's something like this. Can you sing it with me? Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the eggs like this, eh. Very easy. Eggs in the pan. So you remember that egg begins with the letter E, that we say eh, eh, eh. Now, do you remember all the words I showed you? Now I'm going to say them again for you to write them down. So get a marker and get your piece of paper inside the envelope to practice, and I'll dictate them for you. Remember, when the E is at the end, we don't pronounce it, but we write it. Okay? Let's see. Can you write these words? Set, 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 set. Number 2. Pet, 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 pet. Number 3. Pen, pen. Have you done it? I will show you the words. They were set, pet, and pen. Have you done it correctly? Great job! And now, can you write the 2 words that are different, like hat and hate? Hat, hat, and hate. They are very similar, but something at the end changes the pronunciation of the word. So, hat and hate. Good job! So remember, when you are reading and you see a word with the sound E at the end, remember it becomes silent and gives all the strength to the vowel before. Good job! Now I'm going to fry the egg because I'm starving. See you next time!